Today, we're working at the factory. Let's make sure we're making the right shapes. So, click on the name of this shape on the worker's clipboard, then click Submit. Oh, bad luck! Look again closely. What shape do you see? Very good. A circle. That's it. A star. Exactly. A rectangle. Very well done. A kite. Fantastic. An oval. Very good. A square.